Jagdish. Today I tell how to make a paper ninja star. First, take a rectangle piece of paper like this. Then we should hold a big rectangle hole like this and grease it hardly so that we can tear it so easily. How to make a single side ninja star. Then we got two pieces of rectangle papers. Then take one rectangle paper and hold it as rectangle hole. Like this. Now grease it up. Then hold it like this. Then grease it up and open it and fold it upwards. Take one part and hold it till middle line upwards. Then this should be hold as downward. Now we get a shape just like this. So now hold a square shape with this. There is a rectangle shape. No problem. Now take this corner and hold till this. You should not pull this towards like this. Only till where it comes we should push and grease it hardly. If there is a extra piece like this, no problem. Now do this also same like that only. Now take this corner and hold it. I told just for this like that only till where it comes. Now take another sheet of rectangle paper and hold it like this. Just same like this. Take rectangle sheet and hold it like this. Hold it like this. Then hold it towards this like this and hold upwards to make a single side ninja star. Now hold this also downwards. Then hold this as a square hole. Then take this corner and hold it till where it comes. Just same like this. And take this also and do a square hole. Hold it this side. Then take this two and take these two corners and hold till this part and grease it up. Also same like that. This also same like that only. Then open these parts. Then in open side we should close this like this and put like this. Then this are two and we should tear and we should do another two also. Take this piece, extra piece and hold it backwards. Now Take this corner and open this pocket and put inside this pocket, and do same for this also. Take this and do like this. Now we got another pocket. Now we should take this angle and put in this small pocket, which is just like this small pocket. Push it inside. There's a single side ninja star. In double side, we had here back also 4 sides and here also 4 sides like this. So I told how to do a single side, how to do a paper single side ninja star. So there's a single side ninja star like this. Bye bye. See you later.